Hey guys, welcome to the Toolman of Home Improvement. Today we were making a pipe trellis for these bougainvilleas. We're going to go crawling up there and take off. This is probably one of the simplest things you can do. Basically, you want to get two pots, one here and one here. Put two bougainvilleas in it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take these pieces out and start wrapping it around this post here. Spray paint this green so that it matches and it camouflages with the and then basically all we did is we made sure that as I went up, you need just 3 pieces of pipe, you need an elbow, and then I needed a sleeve because the pipe was too short there, another elbow there, and then came down here. So 3 pieces of pipe and 2 elbows and a sleeve, and you pretty much have yourself something that this thing can feed up on. Now it's going to probably crawl up on here and then go from there. Okay, so now we've actually put the green paint on it so that it camouflages into the area. Now we're going to just go ahead and we wrap the bougainvilleas right over it.